Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY segment of Living the Life. My name is Osarieben Opalua. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower vase, only from recycled bottles. So you know those bottles where you store your nuts? When you're done with them, all you need is just get this bottle, a paint brush, a glue of your choice, preferably white glue. I'm using Top Bond, a pair of sharp scissors, and yarns. You can choose to play around with the colors, or you can use one color. Today I'm going to use 3 different colors. So let's get making it. First of all, you take your brush and you just paint a little part of the bottle, round it like so. You need to be pretty fast because the glue dries up. Yes. And also remember to always close your glue. So we're starting with the yellow yarn. You take the tip, you use your thumb like this, and then you start to roll. And if eventually your yarn is spaced out, you just use your finger to close it up a little bit. Yes, and then you roll again. And then when you've exhausted the glue on the bottle, you pick up your brush. Okay, let me drop this down. You take some more glue and you paint again. I think I have enough yellow already. So I'm going to get my scissors, cut it, use the pink, and when you want to continue with another color, you make sure you go back to where you stopped. I'm moving on to my next color. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the yarn now, and because of the shape of the bottle, I'm going to start from the top and work my way down to where I stopped. And there you have it. You've made yourself a beautiful flower vase from recycled bottles. So you can use this to decorate your space, your living room, your bedroom. Just get yourself a beautiful flower of your choice, and voila, really beautiful. So I want you to try it, and when you try it, please give me your feedback. Until I come your way next time, keep doing something new.